everyone, I'm Xiaoqian Lu from Xidian University. It's my honor to present the method Answer Region Guide VQA based on visual language pretraining, which we use during the vision question answering challenge text of the VizWiz VQA challenge workshop. This is our team information. We are a team from the K Laboratory of Intelligent Perception and Image Understanding of Ministry of Education, Xidian University. A VQA system takes an input as image and a free-form open and the natural language question about the image and produce a natural language answer as output, which can help blind people understand the world. Recently, large-scale vision and language representation learning has shown promising improvements on various vision language tasks, as shown on the left. The visual language pretraining framework consists of an image encoder, a text encoder, and a multimodal encoder. As an image-to-text matching laws and a masked language modulus are applied to learn multimodal interaction between image and text. Different from exciting methods that formulate VQA as a multi-answer classification problem, VQA-based vision language pretraining consider VQA as an answer generation problem, as shown in the upper right. The autoregressive answer decoder receives a multimodal embedding through cross-citation. A style of secret token class is used as the decoder's initial input token. However, since the input of the image encoder is a whole image, this introduces some irrelevant information. A common method is to extract the object from the image through a pretrained detector, but it identifies all possible objects in the image, and some of them might not be relevant to the text. Thus, we propose Answer Region Guided VQA. Specifically, we first input image, question, and answer pairs to a reference image segmentation model, and then get an output containing only the answer region. Finally, we input the image and its corresponding answer region into the image encoder, and then input the output of the encoder into the multimodal encoder after concatenation. In addition, the types of problems in the training dataset are unbalanced. Therefore, expanding the VizWiz dataset by selecting image text pairs with the same answer from the VQA V2 dataset, and at the same time equalize the distribution. Finally, we example the model based on the pre-sample of the minority is subordinated to the majority. Experiments have also proven that our method and tricks can indeed improve accuracy. We use elbow, XBLM, and OFA as our baseline. After adding additional training sets, the proposed Answer Region Guide strategy and the model ensemble will achieve the 64.72 in the test challenge phase. Thanks a lot for listening.